Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 3rd, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Royal Bank of Canada, one of the largest banks in the world. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Royal Bank of Canada's impressive performance this quarter and full year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Royal Bank of Canada reported a total revenue of $17.2 billion for Q 2025. Net income reached $5.4 billion, marking a 29% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by higher net interest income and increased revenue in global markets and corporate and investment banking. The bank's strategic focus on expanding its client base and optimizing its product offerings has paid off, resulting in a robust performance across its business segments.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Royal Bank of Canada has shown strong performance across its segments. Personal banking grew by 20%, commercial banking by 7%, wealth management by 25%, and capital markets by 18%. How did these segments contribute to the overall success?
Each segment played a crucial role. Personal banking benefited from higher net interest income and volume growth. Commercial banking saw increased revenue from loans and deposits. Wealth management's growth was driven by higher fee-based client assets and market appreciation. Capital markets capitalized on elevated market volatility, boosting trading and investment banking revenues.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.52, but Royal Bank of Canada delivered an adjusted EPS of $3.85, significantly beating expectations. What does this tell us about the bank's operational efficiency and market position?
This substantial beat indicates that Royal Bank of Canada is not only managing its operations efficiently, but also capitalizing on market opportunities. The bank's ability to exceed expectations by such a margin reflects its strong strategic execution and adaptability in a dynamic economic environment.
CEO's vision and future outlook. CEO Dave McKay emphasized the bank's client-centric approach and strategic initiatives aimed at long-term growth. With a revised ROE objective of 17% and a 6% dividend increase, what can investors expect moving forward?
Investors can anticipate continued strong performance as the bank leverages its diversified business model and strategic investments. The focus on client-centric growth and operational efficiencies positions Royal Bank of Canada well for sustained profitability and shareholder returns.
Key takeaways. In summary, Royal Bank of Canada has delivered a stellar performance in Q4 2025, with significant growth across all segments and a strong outlook for the future. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Royal Bank of Canada's impressive results.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Royal Bank of Canada's performance in the comments below.